Helicopter.
Stops, it really stops. Sort of waves and bit about it. It'll come off the nose, is it?
What?
Right, it's going to go.
Ooh.
Right.
Go on.
Oh. What's happening? Oh yeah, what's happening?
It's been damaged. Oh, it's alive! Let it fly. It's been charging a few hours, so it's going to be slightly strong. Don't push that around in there.
No, it's live, isn't it?
What, a bit too strong?
Some reason.
Find it. What's there, Copter down! It's in the door there. It was just behind me there. And it's that. Stand in my Lego set. Don't kill us! Alright. We're having a few crashes here. I don't know when you want to watch Planet Earth. Do you with Richard Hammond? It's up! And it's up. Anybody going on for me? Ah! Ah! No, not the flowers! No, it's a good thing you did quite good.
Yes, Planet Earth, yeah, live, yes, it does. It's on now, is it?
Go for it. It's on After the Voice, whatever that's about. It's on at what? Oh, it's up. 19 something? I don't know. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Come on out of it.
Flowers! Nanny, your flowers have lost the petals. Can I pilot it now?
Well, I think it's going to run out.
I will now be the pilot. It wouldn't steer. It's not fair. That's just Nanny watching on TV. We're not actually playing that. What? That song, it's getting on my nerves.
Left. Oh.
What skyline? No, give me a line. Ah! Just about the webcam.
Keep going left.
Ah! Bit line. Ah! I'm a good pilot. I'm not that green. I'd bring it a bit lower if I could.
Going well.
Oh.
It's going, what's going well?
No! I'll stop it before Nanny gets her plants ruined.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good thing I did stop it as well.
Just going to tilt the camera up so you can actually see it when it's flying.
This is good.
Are you recording them?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Oh, that's me. Who's you? There's a fly in the room.
And you're moving to the ceiling.
Oh. Oh. Where is it?
Down there. Oh. Keep jumping up and down.
This is good.
So keep jumping up and down all of it.
You try to disturb the lilies and it's making them smell. Oh my god!
I think the cactus has got to run for its money.
Look, it's in there. It's up in the air again. It's right across Granddad. Towards me. Over Annie. Look it! Oh, come on. Perfect landing. That was perfect.
Quite, wasn't it?
Oh, come on. One day I'm going to get another one of these. Strong enough to hold a webcam on it. Oh. Sure. Really. No! I said no! I said no. No! Ah!
I think the
Flowers!
cow's going.
It's doing a good job of it. Oh, come on. Underneath. Kick Granddad's leg. Not very impressed. Just lift it.
Yeah, I think the cow's going now, don't know.
Well, at least it was a safe landing for once.
Yes, it was, wasn't it? Yep.
Can you get the DVD out, please?
It is out. Well, that was that day episode. I hope you enjoyed. Hardly saw much though. Sorry about that. You can only fly a helicopter too well.
Oh, I don't know what it is.
See ya.